See how this live video is crack-a-lacking. See how this live video is crack-a-lacking. See how this live video is crack-a-lacking. Yeah. See how this live video is crack-a-lacking. Yeah. Ooh, I gotta turn that down. All right. Today, I'm just gonna do a real quick unboxing of a Samsung Galaxy S9. This is kind of impromptu. This is kind of well, hey, this is something we ought to do. I don't have much equipment to do this with, but I'm just gonna go forward. I guess when you stream on these phones, it's pretty smooth. The invoice, customer receipt, all that cheese. Boop, boop, boop. All the paperwork, I'm just looking at it right now. 14-day purchase, Hopefully we don't have no broken stuff, so we can move forward with that. But, I don't know. Alright, so let's bring it on. Today what we have is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This is going to be a whole lot of fun. But before I even get to unboxing this yet, I have my recommended, a case for the phone, my curved glass, so that we, I gotta protect my stuff, totally. So with it, let's do this. Is anybody seeing anything? Let me know. Alright, so this is some really good stuff here, really good quality packaging. They give you the Samsung box, which is really cool, Got all the stuff that's authentic. Alright, so now I gotta figure out how to open this up. Okay, got a tab. The box opens up like this. And I'm just working with one camera right now, so, I'm just gonna wing it. Let's see. First things that pops out the box is basically, documents, terms and conditions, and meet your phone stuff I'm gonna read over in a little bit. And let's get right to the phone. This is beautiful. This is awesome. So I'm gonna take the plastic off. Look how shiny it is. It's gonna get all dirty and whatnot because I got, the plastics on here. But anyway, so that's the phone right there. Everything is tight. This is Tizzy. Authentic stuff, man. Authentic. Loving it, loving it. Alright. Then we get into the bottom of the box stuff, such as charger. You know, that you plug into the wall piece. Got other accessories such as the USB connector. So that's pretty cool, you know. Let me like get this stuff out of this. Let's take a closer look at it, you know. Let's see, man. That's the USB connector piece for the phone. Then we got like this adapter for charging. Nice, Victor's dropping Scrapple. I would love to have some Scrapple. That's some good stuff there. Alright, so we got the charger piece. I'm going to unplastic that. And let's see. Oh my. Getting the plastic off is hard work, ladies and gentlemen. Hard work. So I got the plastic piece there. And then we got the adaptive fast charger, as you can see, by Samsung. This is going to be cool. The last time I owned a Samsung phone was probably back in the early 2000s, you know. Let's see. I honestly do not know how to even power this thing on yet. But we'll find out later. I'm going to also go through what else I got in here. But here it is, though. I got it, like, purple. It's pretty neat stuff. But I'm still trying to figure things out. So, this is like the Samsung S9 Plus Galaxy. I got it all. Got it mixed up a little bit there. And I'm just going through these contents of the box to see what we got here. Alright, so we got the headsets, which is a nice little piece here. So I'm going to be rocking that. Sitting here making a mess and whatnot. This is some nice quality headphones. And it's got the talk piece. So that's going to be cool. Alright. Then, I guess what we're going to have here. And we got is the charging piece, the charging wire. Just good stuff. All right. So it looks like I got my work cut out for me. So I'm gonna get up off this live stream and I'm gonna go about setting this stuff up. Thank you for watching. It was just a quick little stream. I just wanted to go through some stuff, to unboxing of the phone. You know, I made a little mess, and I got to get everything going. All right, peace out.